Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. The game is updated and your device has at least 1 GB free because caches need space. Once done, restart the game and then the device to clear transient states. Next, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios and immediately test on both Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate where latency appears. This lets you know whether the issue is local, ISP, or server-related, so you can pick the right fix. You now diagnose deeply. Run the in-game ping test and note milliseconds in the lobby and during gameplay because spikes reveal packet instability. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to eliminate slow name resolution, and try both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands since range versus throughput differs. Make sure to close background apps and disable VPN or battery saver. These throttle connections. Doing this narrows whether the problem is DNS, Wi-Fi band, or device interference. You finish by applying fixes. Reboot the router and, if possible, test on a wired connection or bring your device close to the access point to rule out signal loss. If issues persist after DNS and band changes, reinstall Mobile Legends, but only after confirming your account is cloud synced so you don't lose progress. Finally, if instability remains, gather ping logs and timestamps, then contact your ISP and Mobile Legends support. This gives them the evidence required to identify server or routing faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.